Alright, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another Empties video for the month of May. So let's get into it. So, one side note for this month, there were things that got thrown away because, and I quote, I thought it was trash. It was in this thing, I saw it, and I threw it away. But when I say I don't mean I. So, there's some things that I think I took notes on that I remembered. This cute little thing that I got from Target from the Bridgerton collection. Okay, first things first, I'm getting rid of this little llama backpack. It is very cute. I was thinking about doing my empties in these, but the bottles and things are so big that I am not gonna keep it. I got it because I love llamas a couple years ago, and I only ever used it like once because the thing kids backpacks, I like the mini ones for like, you know, amusement parks and stuff like that, but it has a single zip on the side, and I like having a double zipper just in case I have to put something in there and have it like stick out, because I went to the fair and I got a plushie and I wanted to put it in my backpack, but I couldn't because I only had a single zipper. So that is definitely going in the trash. Next, I finished up this peeling glycolic acid printed foot mask from, I think it's, I don't know the brand. If I can find it. I don't know, but I finished this. I did it the other day. Still waiting because I need my feet to peel because summer's coming up and like, no, I need smooth feet, so. Trash. Next is this Take a Breath and Relax shower steamer. I also have on my list, I had a couple other shower steamers as well, but this is kind of standalone. Got it a couple weeks ago from Target for like $1. Turned the shower water green. It was like a little cactus. It was cute, but it said it had eucalyptus, and then it didn't really, I don't know. I've had eucalyptus before and it smells really clean. Made my shower smell like dirt. So yeah, I don't know. Trash. I finished up these Target knockoffs of the Venus Extra Smooth razors. I went to, because I've been trying different razors because I get like razor bumps really bad, and I went and got Dollar Shave Club refills and a razor. But the thing is I don't know if I like that. I'm gonna finish that up and see if I want to keep the actual component and just get the razors, because I thought that was like better than getting these. But for some reason I feel like the Dollar Shave Club doesn't get as close of a shave as I would like. If you guys have any razor recommendations, if you have like razor bumps and stuff, let me know. I do have this Mega Babes like razor bump stuff I've been using. I don't know if it's working, but that's done. So next is this Pantene leave-in conditioner. Like this, there's still some in there, but you can't spray anymore, so we got another one. Next, so I got a whole bunch of these now. These Vitamask Snooze Hydrogel patches with melatonin. You just put them on your wrist. They had them at Target for buy one get one half off, so I bought more after I used this 4-pack. It's supposed to have lavender, GABA, melatonin, and valerian root. The GABA and melatonin and valerian root is supposed to help you sleep, and you just like absorb it through your skin. If I time this right, I do know that they really work good, but the problem is that they won't stay on my wrist sometimes, and I'll wake up with it on my bed, so that's the only thing. I think they're like $5 though for a pack of 4. I'm just always trying to find something for sleep because I have like insomnia, so I do have valerian root and things like in bottles to take. It's just an ongoing struggle, and I do take magnesium, so don't put magnesium in the comments for that. It's just, I even take CBD capsules for sleep. It's just an ongoing thing. So got that done. 2 wallets because I was going through my things and found them. And so they're going in the trash basically because they're old. Next is this Hemp Plus by the Beautyspot. It's a facial sheet mask with hemp seed and rose water. Did I notice a difference? No. I just do these in place of moisturizer sometimes after the shower. And I got a whole pack of them at the Dollar Tree or RIP, the 99-cent store. I don't remember, but yeah. These 2 Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner sets. Finished that up. We don't really stick to like shampoo conditioner. We kind of go around different brands and try different things, sometimes depending on a sale or just like preference, but we've gone through this I think twice now and it's okay. So yeah. Woo. This Miracle Repair conditioner by Aussie, used it up after using the shampoo, so we do like Aussie in the house. It's nice and it smells nice, and the big bottles last a long time. These Rescue Pastilles by Botch for anxiety, because I do have anxiety. So I use this up. I had a whole bunch of these. I usually get them at Sprouts for like $15, but sometimes they have sales. So I use this up. Blah, words. This is the orange and elderflower flavor. I pretty much stick to this flavor. I've had the cranberry before. Doesn't taste good. I just find that you're supposed to let them rest in your mouth or something, but I find that chewing it, I don't know, it distracts me. I use it as a distraction basically. And I like the consistency. I'm weird, I know. So, and speaking of that, this is a stand-in because mine got thrown away. The Herb Farm Lavender Anxiety Soother. I usually take this in the moment of anxiety and it just calms me down. I've gone through so many bottles in the last 4 or 5 years, basically since the pandemic. My anxiety, I've always had anxiety, but I really noticed it with the pandemic and it never went away. So, in situations and stuff, I have one in my purse, one at home, one in my car, just for that, for the occasion of something might happen. So, and I don't want to not be prepared. So, next thing is the Head & Shoulders Supreme Nourish and Smooth, the shampoo and conditioner. I do like this line. It smells good, but when it comes to dandruff things, I don't like to stick to things too long. I like to switch them up because I feel like my head gets used to things, if that makes sense with the dandruff. So I always come back to this line specifically. I feel like the new line like this, and there's like a one for color treated hair, which is nice. The new updated lines like this actually smell really good, and I notice it throughout the day, other than like the regular Head & Shoulders. So definitely will repurchase again always when I'm not trying something else. So this e.l.f. Super Clarify cleanser with, it's a clarifying cleanser with niacinamide. I heard that they were discontinuing this line. I do have the gel moisturizer and the toner that I need to use up in my makeup stash, because I don't want to have stuff sitting that's gonna expire. So I used this in the shower. It was nice, but so clarifying. I did have to like go and moisturizer, like my face felt like the Sahara Desert afterwards, but use that up. It's always good. I feel like having that in the shower is like a two-person basically. Another one of these shower steamer thingies, shower fizzy bars from Target, I think last year or something. I got it for $3, but there was 2 of them in here, not just one. So okay, this NYX Shine Loud Magic Maker in the shade What is the shade? I know it's here somewhere. I just can't. I don't know what it is. It's like the mauve neutral tone. Expired because I've had this for over a year, and the consistency changed, and I just didn't want this on my lips anymore because I think that's what caused. I have a little doodad right on my lip, and I feel like this caused it because I wore this a couple days in a row, actually for more than a couple days, to make sure it was expired or not, because I was like, well, it's been a long time since I've worn this, so maybe it's not expired. Maybe that is the formula. So I feel like this is to blame for the little guy that is on my lip now, that you guys can't see, thankfully. But, yeah. I do like the stay of this, so I will get the shade again once I go through more of my lip products. I have so many lip products. Stay tuned for a makeup challenge for the summer though, because I'm going to try and get some of my makeup done, which I used one today, and I finally hit pan after a year. So yeah, expired, going in the trash. Next, I finished up this vanilla hydrating lip oil. It's a Nightmare Before Christmas little branded one from Hot Topic. So that I finished up finally. It didn't take that long, but yeah. A Japanese facial razor. These are great. I always purchase them at Target. And the last two final things are these Finery perfumes in Flower Bed and Not Another Cherry. I have the body sprays now, and I will repurchase them in the little travel section at Target again for my purse, because I combined them and layered them and they were really nice. So that is it, I believe. Yes, that is it for my empties for the month of May. Give us a like if you like this kind of videos. I'm gonna be doing makeup videos, storytime videos, writing videos, especially coming up in July with like Camp Nano. Gonna work on my writing project, and makeup, storytime, writing, and yeah, anything else really, whatever comes to mind. So hit that like button and hit the bell to subscribe to get notifications of when I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.